Updating your primary email on your Capital One account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to view your current email addresses. Step 4. Update your email. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and verify the update.